In this lesson, you'll learn about narrative techniques, such as a description, dialogue, flashback, foreshadowing, pacing, and perspective. Now we're going to take a look at some narrative techniques that writers use to tell a story, deliver content, or convey a message. Description. Description are the details a writer uses to convey a message. A dialogue is a conversation between two or more characters. A flashback is a writing technique that describes or shows something that happened in the past. Foreshadowing is a technique in which the storyteller gives an advance hint of what is to come later in the story. Pacing is another strategy that writers use to advance a plot or create tension, mood, and/or tone in a text. Perspective is the writer's attitude toward a subject. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.